Founded in 1990, Nirvana is the largest integrated bereavement care provider in Asia. We pride ourselves in providing the most professional and thorough one-stop bereavement services. In 2014, Nirvana was the only Malaysian bereavement care provider to be listed on the main board of Hong Kong Exchange and Clearing Limited. Nirvana currently has 20 branches spread all across Asia. Nirvana aggregates the nimbus of nature. Elegantly designed in compliance with age-old feng shui wisdom and embraced by lush greenery and gentle streams, it is an ode to the ancestors and an enlightenment for the descendants. Nirvana offers a myriad of burial plots that are designed with feng shui elements and enveloped by elegant surroundings and magnificent landscapes, coupled with a promise of long-term planning, professionalism, and lifelong maintenance. To cater to all types of requirements, our burial plots come in single, double, family, or other forms. The multi-purpose complex, which costs 20 million ringgit to build, exudes a majestic aura at all times. Comprising the Grand Da Siong Palace and the solemn San Sheng Hall, it is the ideal place to pay respects to the ancestral tablets. Enlightenment ceremonies are held in the spacious hall to welcome the ancestors into Nirvana and to shield the descendants from harm. The Christian Memorial Garden, much like the biblical Garden of Eden, is an alluring land of utter serenity and warmth, where blossoming flowers inject a touch of color and vibrancy into the sweeping landscapes. As the visitors stroll the peaceful garden, their minds will be completely at ease, bathed in eternal paradise. The Oriental Villa, where streams of glistening waters flow freely under the bridge and aquatic plants bloom, is surrounded by grassy hills. These idyllic elements synergistically create the perfect feng shui aura. Enjoy a moment of quiet contemplation as your surroundings subtly unravel the beauty of life, transporting you across a timeless utopia. The Chinese Calligraphy Stone Gallery is the largest of its kind in Southeast Asia. Its towering stones purposefully sow the seeds of Chinese culture and sustain the legacy of those who have had their names etched in the history books. NV Seed wields natural magnetic fields to absorb eternal positive energy, greatly improving one's fortune to invite endless opportunities. Nirvana has also pioneered the first pet memorial garden in Malaysia. A perfect symphony of art and nature, this breathtaking cemetery immortalizes the love between owners and pets and serves as an ideal place for owners to remember their loving partners forever. Meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, Nirvana's columbarium is elegant yet solemn, and it thoroughly showcases spatial art and brilliant human literature to establish a serene and opulent resting place for the deceased. Each component is a result of modern artistry and exceptional workmanship. Traditional, modern, or other design concepts are available to suit all preferences. The unique six-star columbarium Ming Palace replicates the grand architectures and majestic designs during the Ming Dynasty. Every inch has been carefully planned to bring the dynasty's distinctive charm to life and to accentuate on the rich intricacies of the Chinese culture. The royal atmosphere is certainly the perfect resting place for the deceased. The Perpetual Garden in the Nirvana Memorial Park is specially designed for those of the Christian faith. The graceful petal-like design of the two-story columbarium symbolizes the life cycle of an autumn leaf, falling peacefully onto the ground before returning to nature. Nirvana's core philosophy is to care. In line with our motto, we constantly strive to provide high-quality services. The five-star Memorial Hall is a truly luxurious and grand space that provides comfort and peace for all patrons of various faiths. With our funeral culture showroom and one-stop funeral services, we are able to provide an all-inclusive service that delivers true convenience to our clients. Nirvana ensures that guests and family members who have traveled from afar are well taken care of by providing designated leisure areas such as restaurants and VIP lounges for them to rest. We have built a memorial center for icons and personalities to proudly display the achievements of their ancestors and also to remind their descendants of their own greatness. We are capable of offering professional and all-rounded funeral services that meet the needs of clients of various faiths and social standings. Our sincere service teams help the deceased rest in peace so that the living can have peace of mind. Nirvana, Asia's largest integrated bereavement care provider.